This is the most extravagant house of multiple occupancy we've ever seen. The fixtures and fittings include Miele kitchen appliances, including a built-in Miele coffee machine, a wine fridge, 2 kitchen sinks with an instant hot water tap, and a sleek Crittall-style internal glazed door, allowing line of sight from the front door all the way to the garden. Stay tuned to see how this one unfolds.
I'm Ben Richards of Aura Architecture, and this is our mini-series Homes Under the Camera, where we'll be showing you some of the fantastic extensions and transformations that we've done for our clients in London and the home counties.
The client came to us with a run-down 4-bedroom terraced property that hadn't been modernised for 50 years. This particular client is a property investor and developer who wanted to create a high-end house of multiple occupancy for young professionals. He wanted as many rooms as possible to maximise his return on investment, and the brief was to create at least 5 bedrooms. Second to this, our client wanted the potential to move his family into this property in the future, so wanted to future-proof the house by installing a high-spec finish.
So we were instructed on this project to take it through planning, through detailed design, and then hand over to the contractor to deliver. What we've done on this project is a side extension, a 2.5-storey rear extension, a loft conversion, and completely refurbished the internal space. You'll see from the neighbour's property what it once was, which was just a 2-storey extension that only came out about 2/3 of the way we've gone so far. We've extended all the way to the neighbouring property. We've added an Oriel window, which looks fantastic, which gives an extra bit of depth to that living space, a seating area where you can read your book and enjoy the garden, and plenty of light with roof lights above the kitchen and dining space. And it really is a fantastic house share for people to come and enjoy South West London.
From the front, it's a beautifully detailed Victorian property which has been restored to its former glory, and a more modern approach is taken to the rear, where we used yellow stock brick to blend in with the existing property, but used a more modern finish on the roof, which was a dark grey zinc material which contrasts really well with the brick.
So the client's created a fantastic little garden for the tenants to enjoy. We've got some nice seating areas, some raised planting beds, artificial grass, some really funky materials used here. We've got the brickwork to match the main property. We've got some Corten steel creating some of these planters, some modern trellis and fences to the neighbouring boundaries. It's a really, really bright and functional space for the tenants to use.
If you want to understand more about the home improvement or the property development process, why not check out this video?